Hey y'all, welcome back to Mess with Mopars. Darren here. Saturday morning, shop. We have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 5 days till the Drag It Challenge. And so the trailer is pretty much loaded. Just with the box is kind of where I want it to go. Some of that stuff over there will go in the boxes, and then there's some spare parts laying around all over the place. We need to get some electrical out of the electrical box, and yeah, so let's go over what's going on today. So oh, that's what else I did. Put the street tires on the Super B. Where did I put those other tires? Oh, they're in the trailer. The drag radials are looking a little. Anyhow, so guess what we're doing today? Ta-da! So I was having some issues when we got back from Cache Creek, and what happened is we got here and to pull the car off the trailer, wouldn't fire, or would fire intermittently and run like a bag of crap. It fired up fine when I put it on the trailer. It didn't like coming home, I guess. I don't know. So anyhow, my buddy Chad came over and we did some investigation and figured out that the digital box wasn't working properly. So I pulled it out, took it to Mopac, and they put it on the tester, and sure as shit, it's done. So today we get to wire in a new box. Unfortunately, it is what it is. I mean, it shouldn't take long. There's only 5 or 6 connections to do. Hardest part is it's up under there, and I'm gonna try and get it all done and yada yada today, so I can get it back down on the ground and retorque the tires. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it ate a distributor too. So that's a different distributor in there. So we'll have to see what we got going on when we do that. And it might have ate a coil. I don't know. I hope not. We'll get the box in, and then I'll try some other stuff. That's my finger, sorry. Try some other stuff, and then we'll go from there. So that being said, being Saturday, to get at that right now and try and get that done. Yeah, so I'll do a little video when I'm packing the trailer of what I'm gonna take with me. Bunch of electrical stuff, oil, plugs, race car stuff. So I will get going on this box. I'll sort of probably do a couple short little vids in between now and finishing, just as I'm wiring it up and cursing and swearing, trying to get everything back to the way it was, so that it looks neat, right? We all know what it's like crawling underneath the dash and trying to wire shit up on our back. Anyhow, thanks for coming along for the ride. I will talk to you periodically through the day, and we'll go from there. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment, please. Appreciate them. And why is there no oil pressure? Now there's oil pressure. Don't get that light, I'll tell you.